Julle kom saam my skincare. So first of all, get my wipes. So as julle wil weet, ek gebruik hierdie wipes. Ek het dit vol. Okay. So let's take a wipe out. So onthou wanneer jou skincare saam met kom doen. So slap letterlik. Right. So let's put my wipe there. Okay. Wipe my face. I'm gonna do that apart. Guys, I opened it. Okay, this is that. So it's literally there because I use a lot of it. But of course you need your face to be soft and everything. If you could see. Okay, we're just gonna put some oil in my hand. We found a lizard in my bathroom. So ja, ek kan vir Albert bel wat jy wil. Hy dink regtig my nommer is jou ander nommer. No, Amazon.
Dan moet jy net weer om te praat soos ek. Is jy baie goed daar nie?
Vir wat?
Om te praat soos ek nie.
Ek hoef nie. I don't have to be a pro in it. Guys, it's literally. Okay, so we already put my night cream on, but it's literally. Oops, sorry, that was my phone. Okay, she's not asleep anymore. There she is. Where she is?
Hierdie.
No, this one's. Okay, so this is my night cream. Let me just talk to her quickly. En dis was ek kussing wil jy slaap? Seker. Ja, right dan.
Slaap altyd met 'n sagte kussing.
Dan los daai kussing net onder by my voete. Guys, I went to get a new Stanley. And I really want this. Gaan hy die lig afsit. Nee, jy weet mos daai ouma wat ek nie like nie. Sy is bang vir die donkerte. Sy is bang vir die donder weer.
Wat?
Sy is bang vir die donder weer en vir die donkerte. Daai ouma, daai tannie wat ek nie like. Okay guys, my face is done. Let's see the reveal. It's gonna be very shiny, but we're gonna